Friends, every time I'm trying to come up with any kind of rap, some kind of thing is happening to my life. I don't know whether I'm coming, making sure that we for me, rap for better for myself, definitely I could be making sure that we not performing rap for better for myself because I'm not really making sure having a rap. This one kind of thing that is kind of holding me back is like that kind of thing is kind of holding me back. Definitely, this kind of like lack of my interest, lack of my kind of vicinity, lack of my kind of inclination, lack of my kind of interest to getting myself back, having to putting myself away from the kind of thing that's getting myself really discomforted to this kind of rap because I know if I will always and always coming up with any kind of rap that will be keeping me away from my soccer, keeping me away from my cricket. That's why I'm not willing to make sure playing any kind of hate about my rap. It has been so I'm not comfortable doing any kind of thing about my rap. Any kind of thing, any kind of thing not going to happen to me because I know that I have done enough kind of a justification for my rap. That's why I'm not sure willing to make sure I'm putting any kind of more justification for my rap because it's kind of hard to make sure I go over doing any kind of thing. This individually some more rap is not going to recover like hard work for me to make sure that I could be doing it anymore because I have to make sure that I have passed kind of my phase of hard work for whatever kind of was needed to make it cover with kind of rap. This is the kind of time for making sure that we're taking some kind of respite, some kind of like backstab or some kind of like thing to kind of taking control in my life. Definitely some kind of thing that need to be done is like some kind of retreat because I need to make it take some kind of rest because there is one thing that I need to be popping in my head is like I'm willing to make sure I'm having some idea or some kind of like business or some kind of like charges that is kind of coming up in my head because I will be not kind of letting any kind of thing, any kind of idea that could be coming up in my mind. I would never be letting myself to come up with any kind of never I will make sure I will be talking so much because I'm not kind of a talkative person anymore. I'm not really make sure I will be expressing any kind of thing that need to be done because I know actually having to blame on anybody else. I will make sure I'm blaming on me. But if I'm not really making sure I'm getting any kind of excuses or any kind of like stomping or any kind of like turmoil or any kind of chances to get myself to become thermally active for anybody else. Basically, I'm not kind of willing to make sure I was ready for a rock. It is a dispute for myself because I need to make sure that I'm getting myself ready for me because maybe there is a but at the end of the day, what is need to be done is like some kind of chances that are holding me back is like some kind of chances not holding me back. Like definitely some kind of thing that is kind of taking some kind of direct plans or some kind of direct action in my life is like definitely not talking about kind of this shit people. They are kind of playing some kind of beauty call in my life. That's why I'm not being able to cover the kind of rap. But I can't be happy to kick them in the face, kicking them on the head. I could be happy to be not by keeping them away from myself and not just because they're kind of interest of my parents because I know that they will be working from my home and who they want to work from my home. That's why I'm kind of like making sure that we have to like pretty much like taking this kind of shit from them. I'm making sure that I'm not taking this kind of shit. I'm saying that that's why I'm kind of like getting massive some kind of getting massive in this kind of way to have to be tolerating this kind of thing, this kind of like other say this kind of like gorgeous in my life like has been that nobody of my home would have been interested in them in their kind of work. I would have been kind of completely different. It's also differentiated from my kind of self from the timing, but I'm kind of appreciating what is kind of appreciating for the timing. I would have like kicked them out of my home, but this is not the case for the timing. As long as not going to be the case for the this kind of thing, I'm not feeling good in my head. It's just because I come up with any kind of rap. That's why to get them away from my head, I will make sure that we have to pushing them away from my knee. I will make sure that we have to be getting them away from my mindset in such a way that we have to be like pulling them around, that we make sure that we have to be like taking them away from my kind of plug, and we make sure that we have to be giving them no head slap, but definitely actually just making sure that we have to be stopping them, making sure that we're pushing them away from my home, so making sure they will be having to feeling like any kind of disclaimer, and I will be getting my kind of arms kind of dirty. That's why I'm not getting anything to anybody else. I'm trying to make sure that we even kind of attached to my grandma. That's kind of for protection. Because I'm making sure that we are able to get any kind of thing that we to be done. And for the time being, I'm going to make sure that we're making some kind of excuses for it to betterment of myself. And vitamin of my grandma. That's why I'm trying to make sure that we have to take any days, make sure that we have to give him a chance. But I don't know why I'm not being able to do any kind of thing that needs to be done. It's like for the coming life, we need to make sure that we're not listening to anybody else. I can be listening literally to myself because this is kind of time for me to make sure that I'm able to listen to my heart and listen to myself and listen to my mentality because I'm going to make sure I'm talking to it is one of much kind of way because I could be talking so much. I will be making any kind of talking kind of difficult for me and all, but definitely we will be making any kind of sense to make sure that we're talking something that is kind of not going to make sure that we have to getting some ideas of what we're talking about because I can't be talking about anybody else. Had we like mentioning about anybody else, there's nobody else kind of listed now we left over so to make sure that everybody is kind of beefed with me, but except for grandpa Shaka, I haven't not being able to talk about anybody else because definitely grandpa is some kind of one who is always there for making sure he's kind of supporting me. I could be having to feeling some kind of distance, some kind of bash, no kind of like effect because every kind of thing that is kind of being there for him because I'm surviving still I'm kind of surviving just for him only. I could be having to make sure I could be not being able to inequality, any kind of praiseworthy towards him less than that, particularly I could make sure that whatever need to be done any kind of better from kind of bookish side, from non-bookish side, from theoretical practical, from for the kind of betterment. I'll be always there to support him because he's always there to support me and he's kind of my back. So I'll be always kind of trying to make sure that we're holding myself with my back and getting myself whatever kind of thing need to be done. But for everybody else, apart from kind of like few people that we like few mentors that we not being able to make any kind of commitment to videos, and apart from all these kind of people that I've mentioned about is for the rap over here, just making sure that everybody is flossing out application for me. I'm not going to give any kind of heat to any videos and look paying any kind of attention to any videos. There's just a chance for some mere puppet. There needs to be kind of giving some kind of a slap on their face. I need to make sure that we have to turn away from my kind of vicinity to make sure that we have to be giving some kick on their butt. I mean, in their kind of chest, just to make sure that we have to go and die in their kind of vicinity to go hide in the kind of mother's kind of account. We need to be getting some kind of captive Skype. That's kind of a situation that is kind of popping up my head. Apart from any videos, local rappers actually making sure that we have to be going fucking their mom because always kind of thing like we're making sure that we have to do that kind of thing. Because on a Sunday, I feel like we need to make sure that we're making any kind of commitment and making any kind of commenting and making any kind of like insinuation and making any kind of thing that needs to be done because I can make sure that we try to make sure that we have to be not being able to talking about me, not getting myself that we have to talking about somebody else is not going to the case because I don't feel any kind of need to make sure that we're talking about any kind of bullshit. They will be making any kind of chance in my life. They will be having to be getting any kind of like stability, any kind of like vicinity, any kind of pressing, any kind of like proximity in my life, domain because they're not confident any kind of like way to make sure that we have to be developing up no matter how high, how far, or will be how kind of top of the league they will be at my level. That's why I know that. That's why I'm not putting any kind of attention to making sure that we have to make sure that we're getting massive to support it. That's why I don't have to abandon them. So what is kind of thing need to be done is like evaluation need to be done is like making sure that we haven't put any kind of thing to make it so serious effect that they can really get themselves away from making myself. We need to get the availability to myself on a board. So I can be making sure that we like listening from myself. I can make sure that we haven't been shopping away just from visiting. Next time I'm not going to pay any kind of even attention. I'm not going to pay any kind of way to come up with any kind of talkative minutes of any kind of rap that need to be spoken to them. And that's why for the better I not, but just I'm trying to make sure that we not only give any kind of like clause, any kind of so cause for what is need to be done. That's why I want to give any kind of like my kind of remark or whatever kind of thing, or my kind of like verdict to give any kind of thing, any kind of chances to give myself opinion. I cannot give any kind of like answer, I got liability or any kind of chances to make sure that I'm doing this kind of thing because I'm not feeling any kind of need to make sure that any kind of thing I do. That's why I'm giving myself to my kind of ask to my grandma. Anybody to make sure they could be doing some kind of thing towards their kind of mother or maybe towards my kind of things. They could be going themselves being detroited, and maybe sure that I could be taken to kind of ask stuff. I'm putting the ass in the kind of father's car, mother's car, and having making sure that we having to make the mother being fucked by me. And before that, I could be having to be able to do not do any kind of thing because all this kind of things I need to know they're coming by myself and nobody else will be making sure that we having to make any kind of chance to making themselves being available to this kind of bullshit kind of thing. That's why I could be making sure that I could be giving my kind of tax to my kind of grandma. Everybody is making sure that every time to get some kind of thing, I could be making sure that I could be turning their ass into some kind of shit because they're in kind of realize kind of shit. I don't know who the fuck is talking about so bullshit. No matter how hard they will be doing this kind of pro kind of a thing is not kind of a matter of kind of any kind of a concern for me because I can make sure that we have to like non-pro fully fucking kind of pro in kind of a better way because I can make sure that I make sure that I could be giving some pro. I will make sure that I could be just starting with kind of de-threatening everybody else. I could be taking off their kind of this epiglottis and making sure that I could be playing some kind of game with that. I could be taking their heads off and making sure that I will be making some kind of football play with that. I will wearing a boots with some kind of gumboot and making sure that we have to hunter. I can make sure that we kicking on the kind of head, or kicking on the face just to make sure that there could be entire face getting a kind of deep problem. So anybody else also trying to kind of in my kind of grandma's vicinity, trying to make sure that we have to fuck on grandma else, whatever kind of me be or whatever kind of thing, they could be making sure that they could have to think of some bullshit. I could make sure that we haven't been giving them some kind of sloshed in the kind of head and kind of their head, I mean kind of their kind of nape or kind of neck that they will have to be like only kind of vengeance. So we kind of be having to be getting into some kind of like there's some kind of quivering or shivering. It is some kind of a pain that is kind of a more than kind of a despite food, more than kind of a distinct food, more than kind of a they're able to make sure that their soul to be able to be survival. This kind of a evilness that will be coming from my mind, or this will be coming from my kind of hand, that will be coming from my self kind of work because I can make sure I can be letting everybody else making sure they will be having to be no kind of survival, really kind of brutality, so making sure they will be having no kind of issues, no kind of chances, no kind of way to when they kind of able to do themselves or we kind of taking themselves to some way that we have to be dancing and kind of ways to survive. And it's got to make sure that we come over and making sure that everybody is going to die. As long as I'm not keeping every local rapper, international rapper for the except kind of grand pass. I don't know if it's for children maintains and feeling good about myself for that. I could be making sure that we complete this kind of 12-minute rap, but it needs to be done because apart from that, I will be having to be kind of feeling justified in my head. That we will definitely got this kind of dividend to come, not everybody needs to be done is like I want to making sure that everybody is trying to give me some kind of like pull hearted about myself because they could be talking some shit that's kind of taking me somewhere else and I'm not talking myself. be Chakos to come talk by myself because I know well I was trying to come up with this camera rap because we have to like try to create from a better Baba is trying to make sure that we talking about shit that will be able to putting myself away from my camera able to come up with the camera all this kind of shit is not going to happen because I could make sure that we not letting anybody make sure that we come up with the base so we between me and my camera rap so as to get our videos or differently or come desperately I'm going to definitely have I didn't be sure that after me kind of giving this camera rap state people are not getting killed I will make sure that we using the video kind of kill person again just make sure that we have to like dropping some kind of bomb dropping some kind of feast or not but we like dropping some kind of thing then if you drop now we make sure that we dropping just kind of single feast or maybe some kind of single to each other mind thing and make sure that we just giving some kind of trash off my kind of fingertips with the wall I can make sure that you don't every days that's going to need to be done but apart from that there is no kind of thing that need to kind of being kind of hope in my head because I could be not feeling kind of hopeful or kind of like needful to come up with the kind of thing in this time because actually because like taking on every day this would make you a chance to make me say feel like we have to be sealful or sealful you're trying to protect every kind of a thing that's going to be done for protecting everybody else's kind of mom because actually make sure that we're not trying to getting themselves being cultivated every kind of business because they could be being able to come up with any kind of chance to getting me away from their kind of a chances to making me feel like we have to be protecting on themselves because I'm going to protect any kind of guy I will make sure that we're killing on everybody else's kind of guy I will be killing on everybody else's kind of girl those are trying from making sure those are trying to get in themselves being kind of just or some kind of being kind of bringing or giving some good impression some good right I will make sure everybody is going to get themselves being kind of died off so as to make sure they would be having to making a chances to making themselves being away from the kind of need so I will be killing on everybody else other than that I will be really no kind of need to make sure that we will be taking this kind of shit in the kind of mind they would be having to make sure that they will give chances to make sure that they will give me any kind of like what do you call that or any kind of like chances to getting me feel like everybody kind of any kind of ways any kind of chance to getting myself being kind of held to some kind of situation that's taking me feel like I won't be having any kind of need to chance for the other making sure that we have to feel like a chance of becoming myself like we have to be being kind of a kiddie by myself because I will not a be key of some kind of thing because I'm not being kind of key for any kind of thing or different like be key for my kind of grandma for my kind of bitches for my kind of ladies for my kind of everybody else because I'm definitely not being the key to making sure that we have to be trying to make sure that we have to be making sure that digging for everybody else to make sure me feel like we're feeling kind of need but apart from that I will never be able to come up with anything need to be done because I will make sure that I will try to get you up with anything that need to be able to be happen to my score because I'm trying to make sure that I'm not putting myself into some kind of facility because I have not been able to come for mentally that to be having to be giving me feel like how to come up with any kind of chance but for the betterment of the situation or not but it's for to come up with like for like this making sure that we're spreading some of the way to make sure that killing on every race and some of not like to make sure for business that made me feel like every killing on every race because they will have to some kind of night or some kind of chance to getting being kind of keep by my situation because I'm not trying to make sure that we kill your village or not, but definitely I will have to be killing your village with some kind of like probably some kind of punishment, with some kind of retribution that they will be able to come up with any kind of plan or any kind of like they kind of mindfulness, but any kind of desire to come up with any kind of new kind of incarnation because they could be having to be diagnosed in so much kind of pain even after they kind of dead that they will be having to be never be able to come up with any kind of chance to make sure they will be having to be giving some kind of need to come up with any kind of ideation or they kind of prayer or they kind of praying or whatever kind of they kind of doing they will be able to make it just to make sure they will be able to come up with any kind of survivability or any kind of association that making any kind of like order or any kind of audacity to making sure that we have to be wishing or I mean they could have to be praying or whatever kind of they kind of like dreaming or whatever kind of thing or any kind of to be via medium they will be making any kind of commitment to making sure that they have to be coming out into life again after the kind of being myself being making sure that they have to be being into some kind of like non-business to make sure that we be coming out their life and for them kind of a chance because they have to be making sure that we have to be getting themselves to some kind of meaning or some kind of done by me because I can make sure that no one kind of part of me I can make sure that I have to be keeping them by making sure that guys of being yourself bitch I can make sure that making themselves to some kind of ways that they need to be done that way keeping them in some kind of way that they only have to be that kind of honing into some kind of chance need to be done that's why I'm trying to make sure that putting on everybody else is gonna be making sure that they have to be like 14 minutes kind of listening to them making sure that they have to be killing on themselves first then they will try to kill on me or not but the time making sure that they will have to be never be able to kill on me because before that I will make sure that we have to like tearing them apart from the kind of head to toe back we making sure that we tear them apart from the chest to chest just making sure that we have to feel some kind of feeling from being kind of strong by the breast but if I'm not already making sure that we have to be making anything that is kind of the simple things that people for me because I can make sure that we killing on every some kind of way that they will have to be feeling no kind of chance to make sure that we have to give me some kind of like some kind of shoe down their head because I can make sure I'm using a shoe to give me some kind of smack with their kind of face or on the kind of face that they will be having to be never be able to come up with any kind of need or any kind of chance to be kind of able to come up with any kind of like space to come up with any kind of survivability because I had to be sure that I could be cursing on somebody else and have kind of my kind of taste because I could be making sure that I could be not kind of cursing on everybody else is going to want as well I'm trying to make sure there's kind of cursing or some kind of like discussing or making sure that there's some kind of thing I feel like when you're negotiating with somebody else is not going to be the case because everything but definitely biffing it leak. That means to be making sure that we're biffing it with somebody else. That's been the case because I have not looked at it. Come up with biffing with everything, everything that kind of belongs to me. Anybody else try to come up with biffing with me, I will make sure they will have to have a drop feast on their wall. Other than that, they will be given no kind of a chance to come up with any kind of beefing. And I don't know whether they will be surviving the kind of feast in their wall. Have it so they will be feast in the wall. With the force that I have placed on the wall, they will have been given with no kind of arm. Their arms will be kind of taken off from their kind of shoulder. That's kind of the pain. That's kind of like chest. That's kind of Papa will be beating on the kind of wall. So that's why they will be able to come up with the kind of survivability. So we will cover their arms. We will cover their digit. How will they be coming up with the kind of brawling with me? So what is need to be done is like there is kind of no kind of a chance for anybody else to make sure they will survive and making him feel like everybody come up with any kind of thing that needs to be done to make sure they will give me any kind of chance to come up with any kind of chance to make sure they will give me some other kind of chance to come up with somebody help me and so like whole minute of some other thing chance to getting themselves being named by alpha. I don't know motherfucker what they're going to be doing, but they could have been taking a chance to giving me like from any kind of activity to come up with the survivability because I didn't see the capability and place to come up with the survivability. I'll be taking everybody is from my capacity to make sure that we make sure that we have everything again and again gain some kind of bash on their kind of head that they're going to have to like so being kind of being calculated into kind of a kind of situation because I'm not to make sure they go with some kind of thing. They need to kind of obey for wrestling not very for wrestling giving them some kind of bash to make sure that we're not going to take anybody to kind of never survive them. My brother will not look at talking respect definitely. We will just try to make sure that we give me some chance like we have to killing on them by making sure that we will not come time to make some kind of whatever situation that they will then what is need to be done like everybody is kind of not from kind of matter basically they are kind of my enemy and every enemy needs to be kind of distant fully kind of some kind of not fully kind of need to kind of giving some kind of bash to make sure they will be able to come up with any kind of survivability that will be so they could be surviving my kind of bash that's not the case. I don't know there must have been some kind of mishap somebody's kind of from my group has made some kind of discommitment from like made some other kind of discommitment to making sure that they will bring me down. Maybe some kind of Brutus is there in my kind of group. That Brutus needs to be kind of giving some kind of kick or maybe sure that we letting the kind of Brutus get fucked by everybody else. Other than that, I will be making sure that the Brutus being some kind of guy. I will be making sure that we have to give me some other kind of like disdain or some kind of like vengeance that need to kind of give me to them some kind of retribution, some kind of distribution, or some kind of thing that we need to kind of distribute it. We kind of making sure that we have to get into some kind of like retribution about the fact that they could be feeling somewhat deteriorated and cover their head that they will never be able to come up with any kind of chance to get this will be ahead by my situation. Just for the sake of myself, for the sake of my soul, for the sake of my home, for the sake of my parents, for the sake of my kind of myself, I will be making sure that we not to trying to get myself. I will be second for my grandma and myself. I will be having not to try to get myself like I will be having taking myself into some ways that need to be done because it's going to take into it and biggest being kind of getting myself into some other thing that need to be done because as long as I'm not being able to take the entire kind of money from the kind of entire galaxy or entire kind of source of except for myself or for everybody else, I'm not being able to come up with anything that need to be done. The money is always over them. They could be having to getting some of ways to make sure that we have to come up with any chances to make sure that we have been asking for some of like help at the later time because I know that if somebody is trying to make sure that first of all they will be having to like making some kind of mistake, then they'll be asking that we have made some kind of mistake. I'm not going to buy all this kind of bullshit because for me either I will be doing some kind of work maybe that will be 100% kind of complete work without any kind of mistake, either I won't be doing any kind of work that will be 100% no mistake work because I haven't committed any work. But having been so that I could be performing any kind of work and that work will be coming up with any kind of mistake, they'll be asking for so like sorry I made a mistake. I will be kicking and braces on their face and kind of entire kind of body to make sure that they are getting themselves being kind of thrust in some kind of like being kind of squashed and kind of break and kind of broken down into some kind of shattered into pieces. But this is not my mentality or not, but this is my mentality. That's why I know like anybody else to kind of like coming up with any kind of work, or those who kind of initiating any kind of work, and in the meantime they will be having to fumbling, they will be watching the job so as to make sure that we have to be staying that will make me any kind of mistake. Others about any kind of like commitment about any kind of like this kind of comparison and the kind of thing or maybe this kind of compensation that need to be making me feel like we have to be kind of being kind of compared to anybody else and kind of making myself like we have to be kind of the voice to compromise with anybody else. But if it's not going to be the case for the betterment or not, but definitely for the killing of everybody else, now the time distribution that we have to be like getting everybody else make of outsource